Now, the declaration page also give you more than just your annual premium,
Yeah,
right,
yeah.
Christy?
Maybe this is a good point for me to share the example that we have. So
Uh,
as we said, kind of a snapshot here of your entire policy. It's going to be the page that your lender's going to look at if you're buying a home. They're going to look, like you said, it shows more than the premium. It shows really what are the coverages, the dwelling coverage, and all of the other coverages listed on the policy. How, what's covered, how many square feet is your house? Lots of good information here. So, as we said, really great place to just review at renewal time and make sure that you're properly covered.
Yeah, absolutely. Your home is one of your biggest investments. So this is something you only receive once a year. It is worth taking the time to slow down and make sure that everything is looking correct, right? So one of the things that's very helpful on this sheet here, on this declaration page here, Christy, is the effective date and the policy
Yes.
period,
Yes.
right?
Yep. So, over here on the right-hand side of it begins on July 28th um, through of 2025 through July 28th of 2026 in this example. But yeah,
Mm-hmm.
that policy period should be listed on the declarations page. If that's not the right period, then you're not looking at the right information.
Absolutely. So if you're buying a home, guys, and your insurance agent sends you the deck page, that should match your closing date, right? That's one of the
Right.
things that you can look at. The other thing you can also look at too, because not all homeowners or property policies are made equal. So, sometime with certain type of policy, people might purchase a shorter period, things like that.
Sure.
Um, you want to make sure though, if it's your home owner's policy for the house you live in, typically, at least as of right now that we know of, right, Christy, they are usually an annual policy. So that
Correct.
that should be the date that you're looking for. Now, if you are happen to be shopping for new homeowners insurance, and you're not sure what date to start, guys, don't just start on any date. Don't just cancel your insurance before your new policy start. Make sure if you are going to change insurance, your new insurance policy start date matches with the date where your other policy is going to end.
Right. Yeah. It's very important, both on your homeowners and your auto, that you keep a continuous insurance history. It
Mhm.
costs you to have lapses in your coverage.
Yes, absolutely.